Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Wrike resource planning for capacity management, full guide step by step clearly. To update Wrike resource planning for capacity management, start by logging into your Wrike account. Navigate to the resource section located in the main menu. Select the capacity tab to view current resource allocation and availability. Review the existing projects to identify any changes needed in resource assignments. Click on the project you wish to update for a detailed view. In the project's resource allocation section, analyze which team members are overbooked or underbooked. Adjust resource assignments by dragging team members to different tasks as needed. Ensure that the distribution of workload aligns with each team member's capacity. Utilize the Workload tab to get a comprehensive view of individual workloads. If necessary, add additional resources by selecting the Add Resource option. Input the new resource details and assign them to the relevant tasks. Check for any upcoming deadlines and adjust resource allocation accordingly to meet project timelines. After making updates, ensure that all changes are saved. Communicate any significant changes to your team to keep everyone informed. Regularly monitor the resource allocation to maintain balance in workload. Periodically repeat this process to adapt to changes in project demands. This proactive approach helps optimize capacity management within your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.